Managing contacts, which are basically people, involves going to your contacts tab on your home page and either adding contacts, searching for contacts, and interacting with them or updating them. So adding a new contact opens up a form with the relevant fields. The most important is the name, an email address, and a contact number. You can also add the position or the role that person plays, and then furthermore birth date, notes, and you can link the specific contact to either a location or a customer or a supplier. You don't have to, but if this contact is based at a specific customer, it's a very good idea to add the customer account, because then the contact will be available on that customer record as well. Each contact also has an optional personality profile that you can use to record the specific personality and likes and dislikes of this specific contact. When you search for a customer, you simply type the contact. When you search for a contact, you type the person's name in and click on the match to find this screen. This is basically a contact update form which allows you to make changes to the fields as well as connect with this customer or schedule a meeting. To connect, you'll find a overview. If you uploaded a picture, you'll see the person there. You can send an email or call the person. The details are down here with several options.